Disclaimer: the following accessories are made specifically for the Celestron Schmidt-Cassegrain telescopes. If you have a telescope of any different brand, kind, or size, I suggest you find another video. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Long exposure astrophotography with a DSLR camera has never been easier thanks to the Celestron Schmidt-Cassegrain T-ring and T-adapter. To put the T-ring on your camera, place the T-ring in the lens hole of your camera and turn it until you can hear it snap, which will indicate that the T-ring is attached. Attaching the T-adapter to the telescope is simple. First, remove the eyepiece diagonal holder from the telescope by turning it. Now, take the T-adapter and hold it up to the telescope. Take the ring and turn it on the adapter holder until it's secure. Finally, take your camera with the T-ring on and turn it on the T-adapter until it's tight. If your camera isn't straight, just turn it some more until it's upright.